Everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Miusha, and as always, it's amazing to have you here. We will look into Whisper of the Ocean's Oracle cards. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's admire these beautiful colors. Just so lovely. Okay, so this deck is by Angela Hartfield, artwork by Ekaterina Bolovanova. It's a Blue Angel production. And it says, immerse yourself in the wisdom of the deep. It's a 50 card deck and we have a beautifully written also guidebook included. So let's look into the guidebook quickly. And oh, beautiful. So we have introduction and then we have steps for using the Whisper of the Oceans Oracle cards, how to ask questions, some cards layout, and then it goes to the card messages. So we have a picture of the card and we have the keyword explanation and quite in-depth detail, which we will look into some sample reading after the full walkthrough. Yeah, perfect. So beautiful blue. This is back of the card. We don't have any color on the edges. So the card quality is quite good. Honestly, I love Blue Angels productions. They are quite high quality, and this one is the same. It's not quite bending fully. Of course, it's not this kind of flexible cards for shuffling. But yeah, I think still is beautiful and good quality. Let's have a journey through the deck card by card. let's do some shuffling test. I think, of course, because it's oracle and bigger inside, let's do side shuffling. Do it again this side. Lovely. I think for the overhand shuffle is quite big but doable. With a bit of stretch and suffering, we can do overhand shuffling. And I think also usually for this kind of oracle decks, I love to do like vertical shuffling. Can get messy a bit, oops. But yeah, doable. Let's do some reading. Example. My favorite color, purple. So, back on task. Be sure you are using your time in the best possible manner. You might consider reviewing your goals, your schedule, or a project you are working on. All could use some fine-tuning. Okay. Let's check the guidebook. 39. So we have the repetition of the keyword and also the text on, and it's quite long explanation. You may benefit from recognizing. Initially, getting organized takes some time, but once you have put things in place, you will find life becomes more efficient. Look at restructuring your routine, your commitments, or your home or work environment. Approach your life, activities, and goals in a methodical manner, and you will find you will feel less overwhelmed and anxious. You may feel more in control of your day-to-day activities. The belief of not having enough time is a limiting thought pattern. Reframe your thinking to include the idea that you have more than enough time. Fine-tune how you approach your day. Try to anticipate what you will need prior to needing it. Utilize the evening hours to your benefit. You may find you are able to think more clearly with less distractions and interruptions than during the day. Use the night time to prepare for the next day. You will be able to share epiphanies with others after you are able to develop them. The squid is nocturnal, and it sustains itself by finding what is hidden. The squid teaches greater adaptability in situations and the value of concealment until the moment is right. You may need to bring balance to your life and focus on your emotions. Look at how you are using your time. If you want to feel more accomplished and fulfilled, adjust your habits and routines. Waking up 5 minutes earlier or limiting the amount of time you spend on social media can really make a difference in creating the space for you to complete more of what you desire. This deck is amazing. I love the way the guidebook is written. It's just to the point, and I could easily connect to that because I always think time flies so quickly and I have a lot of things to do and 24 hours is not enough, blah blah. But yeah, very to the point. I hope you enjoyed this deck. Let me know in the comments how do you feel about it, or do you have it, or you wanna purchase it. I'm curious to know. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, happy. Bye bye.